Welcome on in. I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone that watched and supported the Celestial Strengthening Ogham Spiritual Tree Tribe Guidance. That was such a fun addition. Now we will be moving on next week. We'll be getting into our limited edition devotional December planner. If you are a client of mine, you'll have your planner either now or shortly. If you're not and you're just hanging out and building up that intuition, we will be going over different ingredients on how to recharge. So look out for next week for special ingredients and what they mean for you. And I'm so excited because now you get to see either what recipes are your favorite and maybe expand on why they're your favorite around certain times of the season, and maybe what other people make what other people make for you, and why consuming something can shift our energy drastically. So let's be mindful of what we're consuming and how to gravitate towards certain ingredients that can assist us in our energy and spiritual wellness. I'm so stoked. Different thing for Celestial Strengthening. If you are wanting to work one-on-one with me and you're wanting a physical planner, I am open for January, February, and March 2025 life coaching plans. The Celestial Plan, we are going to be learning tarot. If you've had this class previous years, because I've been teaching this for over 5 years now, how to utilize tarot in your day-to-day life. If you have attended those classes, we will be going over each minor arcana, but there will be different questions and we'll be connecting to different star beings while we are learning the tarot language. So very stoked. That will continue to be open until December 20th. So either book a client consultation with me and we can go over to see if that is a plan that aligns with your life schedule, or if maybe we need something different. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you all. Just for this, I'm going to bring up Sandwich. If you have yet to meet Sandwich, he is our Christmas Yule dragon. And there have been a few videos of us pulling cards. Let's see a card that our beautiful dragon will pull for us today, because we're still in the year of the wood dragon. So let's check out what Sandwich has to offer. It's so much fun. We're getting ready for the holidays. It's time to lighten up and be more in our authentic selves. So let's check it. Oh my goodness. I'm going to pull 2 cards. I think this is a 2-carder. I firmly believe this is a 2-carder. Okay, so we're getting Squirrel Medicine. And we're also getting Crone. So Squirrel Medicine is all about preparing for something, and we don't always have to share it. And Crone is your wisdom. Crone is honoring what you have experienced in this lifetime and in past lifetimes. And it's really allowing yourself to amplify this sacred ascension. So knowing that, I love this interpretation. Your personal power is for you to utilize. You don't need any external validation of your personal power. So know that. And I love that these cards are coming up for the Celestial Divination, because your intuition is always for you. When you deliver intuitive aspirations or conclusions to someone else, it's up to them to have their own perception on it. So just putting that out there. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Erin Ryu, my higher self, who is that galactic shamanic practitioner. And I'm so stoked to be on this journey with you guys. Love you. Bye, guys.